Yo, what's up, guys? So I'm just in the live trade right now, or I'm live trading right now. This is essentially what's been going on the past 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 minutes. I did actually I recorded my entry and my kind of break even. I'm going to insert it in the video, but essentially this is what I have right now. I just kind of stopped and redid the recording because I've just been playing music the whole time, so it's kind of been really boring. But I decided to hop into, put my voice in here just because, like, fuck it, like I'm kind of bored right now. So essentially what I see going on in this 10-minute time frame is you see a very nice bullish push right here. This is a lot of money coming to the market, right? And as soon as price flushes into the 10 and the 20 EMA, this is essentially where I try to look for my trades. In the last video I said that this was actually the 5 EMA. My bad, it's actually the 10 EMA. I've been trading the 5 for a long time, and I just kind of made the switch a couple weeks ago, so I'm just still in that 5 EMA type of mentality. But essentially what I did here was I did the highlighted boxes, and then I put a buy stop through the high right here, and essentially as my management worked was this was my initial stop loss, and then as price created this high, this low, and then traded through just traded through in general right here, I moved my stop loss to right here. And then as price continued going up, I just moved my stop loss to break even, because that essentially shows me that price has a lot of money coming to the market. And usually if price kind of goes, it doesn't come back most of the time. So right now I'm just fine with having a break even on this trade right now, accounting for spreads. So that's all that's been going on right now. You do see that price is undergoing a longer term stage 1 right here, but I do continue to expect the stage 2 push out of here. When, I don't know. This kind of looks like price is going to come down just because of the whole entire consolidation right here, but either whatever happens I'm fine with. I have a break even or I just make money. That's essentially the two different options that are gonna go down right here. But yeah, I have my set RR at 2. Now this is not an actual TP. I just kind of wait for price to break above the 2, and then I start trailing from there. So I just need price to close above the 2 right here, and then I will set my stop loss under that. And then essentially as every candle prints, I put my stop loss under every single candle. So in essence, I really have a 2 RR minimum TP, but I trail it, so obviously I could get more out of a move. But right now I'm just kind of chilling. I've been in this trade for 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 minutes, around that. So just an hour, but I am really looking at UFC 312 right now. I'm very interested in this fight versus DDP and Sean Strickland. A lot of people are actually doubting Sean Strickland right now. I actually feel like he has probably the best chance to beat DDP out of any single contender. I mean, I like the fun fights, I ain't gonna lie. I like Kai Borralho, whatever his last name is. I think that's how you pronounce it. I really like him. He's a really, really cool fighter, I ain't gonna lie. That's probably like my only one that I feel like could beat DDP. Again, like, I've only watched UFC for like 2 years. I'm not like a hardcore, so don't come at me with y'all's UFC analysts and all that stuff. Like, I've just been into this a couple years now, so my takes might be a little bit cringe, but fuck it, I don't really give a shit. This is my takes, and I feel like my takes are not overly wild. But you guys see Adesanya fight night, dude? That guy got knocked the fuck out, man. That guy got TKO'd. That was crazy. I watched that live. I think I was streaming it. I wasn't streaming it, no, sorry. I was like watching the live stream of it, and it was like 5 minutes into watching it, and then I saw the beginning of round 2. I think it was like 20 or 40 seconds into the round 2, and dude, Nasruddin Imavov, man, that guy just fucking Whew, that was a crazy. I think that was like a hook or something, or a straight. I don't exactly sure, but that just popped him, bro. Like his chin, like his head almost went 360. Like Adesanya got fucked. But it's actually kind of sad seeing Adesanya. Like, what is it? What's the losing streak for him? Like 2 or 3 or something like that. Like, fuck, man, I feel bad, bro. He lost to Jerkis. No, it's a 2-fight losing streak, I think. He lost to Sean Strickland. He lost to Jerkis, and then it's 3 fights. But yeah, I feel bad for Adesanya. Dude, that guy was very unappreciated for like the fans. Like we took him for granted, bro. He's one of the greatest fighters at middleweight for sure. I mean, Kamaru Usman, one of the same in like the same conversation as that, right? All right, sorry, I just had to do something for a sec. But UFC, man, hold on. Dude, this is about to be crazy. I mean, the only fights I'm really interested, I ain't gonna lie, like none of them, man. Like, yeah, I'm that casual, bro. I mean, like, I really want to see some crazy shit. I mean, this one's a good one too. I saw one of his last fights. I forgot who he fought, but it was really entertaining. This fight right here, this guy right here, was really entertaining. This is also Alexandre Topuria. So Ilya Topuria's older brother, I think, for his Colby. Is this Thickenese? Colby Thickenese. This is also a really crazy fight. Not in terms of like the fighters, I think. Like I haven't seen any of them fight, obviously. But the fact that Topuria is going to be on this guy's side, and then Volkanovski is going to be on this guy's side, is kind of a crazy storyline. So I really want to watch this, and I want to watch this. Obviously, the main and the co-main. Maybe the Justin Toffel fight might be pretty fire. This is just pure out, just fucking swinging, bro, swinging for the fences, man. That's literally like every heavyweight fight that I see, just swinging for the fences. Except for like Aspinall and like John Jones. Like it's pretty fucking boring watching heavyweight, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, in terms of this fight right here, I really feel like it's like, I don't know, it's like 50-50 for me. I really want like Sean Strickland to win just because it's funny as fuck. But I could care less other than that. Like, I don't really care about DDP. I don't really care about Sean Strickland, like, in terms of who wins the belt. But, yeah, the co-main, I don't really care about this either. If I were to pick one, I would probably pick, like, Tatiana, just because she's bad as hell. Other than that, no. This is, like, those are my predictions, but I don't really have anything else. But let's look at the, which one was it? Fuck. The Adesanya versus Imavov. Oh my god, dude. This was a crazy card, man. Like, this card right here should have been the undercard for 312. Like, these guys should have been the co-main and then the rest in order. Like, that's what 312 should have been. Like, Shamil Ghazi, bro, the fucking dad. I love that guy, bro. I love that guy, bro. Holy shit, dude. The red corner went fucking crazy. The red corner went crazy, man. I ain't gonna lie. In the prelims, though. Yeah, that was a good one. Gaziv was probably the only entertaining one. The cooler one. I love that guy, bro. I didn't really watch this fight, but Vinicius won that one. So, yeah, I don't really care about Saeed. Sergey, I don't really care about that fight either. Not gonna lie, it was pretty boring. Shara versus Michael Page, MVP. That was a crazy one as well. Honestly, I thought that Shara was kind of just like confused the whole fight. Like, I didn't really think that he really knew how to like approach Michael MVP's kind of fighting style. Obviously, it was very, very like non-traditional the way he fights. So I don't know, they're both pretty non-traditional, but it was just an amazing fight to watch. Like I feel like it could have been a lot more entertaining, but it was definitely like a good stylistic fight for like them as well as like the fans. So that was pretty cool. Like dude, MVP, man, his fighting style is so electric, bro. Like the way he blitzes and all that, like the way he just tosses up random shit. Like he threw like 2 or 3 flying knees. Like those were crazy, man. And then this fight right here, this fight was pretty good. Like Adesanya did really good in the first round, but come the second round, like I don't know, dude, he just kind of got caught. Like what else can I say? Nazardine with a crazy fucking, I think it was a hook, man, I'm not sure, or like a straight, I don't really remember. He like, I think he feinted with the left and just went with the right, but I'm not exactly sure. I don't really remember, but yeah, I feel bad for Adesanya, man. I feel really bad for him. But yeah, I'm very very excited. Another fight that I really want to point out there is the fucking Royval versus Cap fight, dude. Manel Cap, man, that guy is so fun to watch, bro. I swear on my life, Manel Cap is fun as fuck to watch. Just the way his fighting style is just so sick to me. Like I don't know, man. Manel Cap, I feel like he's gonna lose to Royval, but at the same time, dude, Manel Cap, man, that guy's shifty and fast as fuck, man. Like he's fucking crazy, man. The fight versus Bokayev, man, that was, I ain't gonna lie, dude, that was like the fakest beef I've ever seen in my life, man. Like that was a boring ass fight, bro. But other than that, man, the Pereira versus Ankalaev, dude, big Ank. I feel like Ankalaev might win this. Like if he's able to take down Pereira, then it might be wraps. But Ankalaev, I mean, I don't think he's known for like subbing people or like finishing them. I think he just likes putting them on the ground. It's like, I don't know. I just don't feel like Ankalaev really has any. I don't think that he has like a striking chance with Pereira, obviously. But at the same time, I feel like if he takes on Pereira to the ground, it will kind of be boring. Because, I mean, if Ankalaev fought Pereira when he first came into the UFC, like if Pereira went straight to light heavyweight, then I feel like Ankalaev would have just destroyed him on the ground. But now that Pereira has kind of trained against Yuri and like Jamal Hill, I mean, Jamal Hill's not really a wrestler or anything like that, but he fought against Blachowicz, and I mean, he didn't do really. He did all right. I mean, it wasn't crazy, but I feel like Ankalaev might win this if he goes to the ground. Yeah, that's there's a good chance that might happen. I do not want to see Ankalaev as champion, bro. I ain't gonna lie. He should have won against the Jan Blachowicz fight, though. That's the one he could have won. I mean, he was getting fucking steamrolled by calf kicks, but he ended up with that control time on the ground and all that stuff, just completely wearing out Jan Blachowicz. So I feel like Ankalaev, if he's able to take down Pereira, it might be wraps. But Pereira can obviously tag Ankalaev at any point, and I feel like that's wraps right there. So if it goes to the ground, I got Ankalaev. If it stays up and Pereira is able to defend the takedowns, I got Pereira. But yeah, man, I'm fucking excited for it, bro. Crazy. Dude, I should really get into BJJ, man. Fuck, man. But it's like so expensive nowadays. Like all these memberships, bro. I feel like I'd love that. I did boxing for like a year, but the price was just way too high. I mean, like, I'm not gonna say where it was, but the membership was like 100 something, like 130 something a month, but you couldn't even go more than one time a day. Like you literally had a limit of one time a day. It was just so stupid. Like they kept upping the price like every like 3 months, 4 months or something. But like, fuck, man, like I can't even go more than one time a day. Like what kind of like fucking deal is that? Because it was like it was based off of what's it called? It was based off of like a first come first serve type of thing. So whoever got into the class first, like just got a placement into the class, and it was structured like, I think there was like 11 or 12 spots per class. And there was like hella members, right? So it's like beginner classes, like head movement, footwork, and all that stuff. And it was the space, the amount of the member limit per class to the amount of space they had and the amount of members in the entire like actual gym. It was not worth it. Like you could get into a class like within the first like minute or like 5 minutes, but after that, like if you're late, you're late. And I feel like you should be allowed to go more than once. I mean, it's not my fault that other people can't go on time, you know what I mean? They can't select their spot on time. So that part kind of just went, that part was just fucking stupid. So I decided to quit that boxing gym. Right now I'm not really doing anything, but I really want to go like wrestling or like BJJ, kickboxing, maybe move to like Thailand for a year or something and just do Muay Thai. But yeah, I feel like that's kind of like the thing nowadays, right? Like you have to learn how to defend yourself and shit. So I mean, I feel like I could give a couple people a knuckle sandwich, you know what I mean? But I feel like being able to defend yourself is a pretty big thing nowadays, of course. And like jiu-jitsu as well. Like you don't really need to have the strength. You just need like the technique, really. Same with like wrestling and all that. But wrestling's more strength. But jiu-jitsu, like, it's just more technique, obviously. Like if I were to have like a daughter or something down the road, I would want them to take jiu-jitsu just because obviously you just need technique with that. So yeah, sleep anyone, dude. Rear naked that bitch. Rear naked a motherfucker. Put him in a nice little crucifix and then do like some crazy ass Americana or something. But I feel like having a wrestling background but being able to have world class striking is fucking crazy. Kind of like Ilya Topuria, dude. That guy has I think it's Greco-Roman wrestling or whatever it's called. Like that's his like background, like that's what he grew up doing. And then he's just a straight up world class boxer. Like if you guys watch his fights, dude, the boxing is just so crisp. I started being a fan after his win over Bryce Mitchell. I think he beat him with a triangle. Not triangle, with a fuck, I don't remember, but it was something. It was a submission, I know that for sure. But dude, his boxing is just so crisp, man. Against Jai Herbert as well. Oh my god, that combo that ended up knocking out Jai Herbert was fucking crazy. I feel like he's just so like technical with it. Like he just knows how to properly like just piece someone up. Like it's crazy, especially with a background in like wrestling. I feel like him versus Islam would be a crazy fight. I mean, the height advantage is obviously on the Islam side, but I feel like it would be a crazy fucking fight. All right, so let's look back at the kind of the trade going on right now. So price is nearing that 2RR. I feel like it's not going to hit for another like 3 or 4 candles. Yeah, I don't feel like it's going to hit for a while yet, but it's getting close to that area right there. I do have a class at 10:30 though, so I might have to end early, but I feel like this is going to be a nice little first trade of the competition right now. Yeah. If you guys don't know, the men funding competition for February just opened today or yesterday. So if you guys want to go ahead and get in that, go to MentFX, and then he has like a men funding page. That's his prop firm. So if you guys want to sign up for it, go ahead. And then it should be under competitions, and then it's the February competition. But yeah, let's take a look at my so that's a back testing one. I've also been doing some back testing. This is just the same exact thing, but with a daily and 1 hour chart. Nothing crazy really. What I'm doing on the 10-minute and 1 minute. It's the same thing they're doing on the 1 hour and 10 or the 1 hour and daily. Again, fractals, they all are the same exact thing throughout time frames. It's just the orders are viewed differently, right? Like this, every candle here represents 1 day, every candle here represents 1 hour. As you can see, hold on, I'm going to show you guys my entry on here as well. So I buy, stop, do the high, and then this is the low point right here, right? This is the last kind of little pause in price before price made the move. As price creates this low, creates this high right here, this high, low, high, stop loss under here. As price trades through this high and starts kind of making its little momentum push, break even, and then the rest is history. Kind of trail under every single one right here, trail as price comes down into here, stops me out 21.96, but it's not the whole 21.96. It's I have 0.5% for the position, so it's half of this basically. But obviously this is just back test. So let's take a look at the US 30 trade that I'm actually waiting to get tapped into. You guys can see right here, I'm waiting to get tapped into the US 30 trade. So essentially you get the same exact thing right here. You see price is obviously creating bullish structure. Price comes down for a flush, maybe on like a weekly time frame. This is just a normal flush. Price starts creating that stage 1, creates stage 1, creates that stage 2, and now we're at the stage 1 right here. We're expecting that this will be the new stage 1 for the stage 2 push. And essentially price comes back into my 10 and 20 MAs, rejects it with a nice bullish candle. All I do is I create a box here, coming from here, anywhere in here. Remember, it has to be more than 1 candle, so 2 candles right here, the 2 candle setup. So you have the 2, boom, and then you have the other one for an anticipatory breakthrough. So you're anticipating that as price creates this high or breaks through this high, that this will be its new last down move before the up move, essentially. So that's essentially why I buy stop above the high, because as price comes down and then goes up, I'm expecting that that's the last down move before the up move, based on a fractal wise, right? And then this is what you guys see on a 1 hour time frame. So you guys see that first box and then the second one, these are all within 1 candle right here. So you have the last down move before the up move, the last down move before the up move. And as price kind of creates its swing points, I'm going to kind of move my stop loss accordingly before it touches here. As price touches here, obviously I'll wait for the break even signals for me, which is a high and then a low and then a high. Break even, or just stopped out, or price just continues going up. If price kind of continues going up from here, just straight up break even. That's essentially what I'm waiting for right now for US 30 on the daily time frame. In terms of all these other ones, I don't really have anything at the moment. The price action here is really not nice. I really want to see kind of like move up like this, kind of like that, and then something like that. That shows me that there's money coming into this market, and I'm willing to trade at that point right there. If I look at on the 10-minute time frame, same exact thing. There was stuff in here maybe to trade. There was nothing in here, nothing in here either. This would not be enough for me to look at, so there's nothing there. Nas, this is obviously a really nice one as well. However, price just ended up flushing down. Nothing really in here to look at the moment. Price is just kind of in nowhere, no man's land right here. But if price starts kind of creating a little foundation and then kind of starts trading up with the price, with the moving averages kind of doing that, then I'll look to take a trade or position if price kind of comes up into here. Again, price has flushed down a lot. I want to see that initial stage 1 to a stage 2 and then comes back to a stage 1 and take a position off of there, because with this model right here, it proves to me that money is coming into the market. So that's something that I want to be a part of, right? I don't really want to kind of guess the low. I want to be able to have price prove to me that it's going bullish and then taking a position off of it, taking a position off it. On the 10-minute, I don't do that because I'm going to end up taking a lot more trades than I need to. On the daily, it's okay because those are by the day. This is by every 10 minutes. So I'm not gonna take a trade, right? I'm just gonna take a trade and stick with it. And then gold, look at my trade right now, looking pretty good. Yeah, prices hit the 2-hour mark. If price can kind of close and then close above it, then I'm gonna end the video, and then just update you guys as I actually get taken out. I have to literally I have a class in literally like 50 minutes. So if I'm able to close above this 2-hour, then I'll just end the video, and then as I get taken out, or whenever I get taken out, I'll just update, hit record or whatever. I don't really know what I'll do, but I know for sure that if price closes above, then I'm just gonna end the video right there. Let's close this. Oh no. Yo, how's the weather for you guys in wherever you guys live? Cause holy fuck, over here, man, it's snowing, dude. I live in BC, so it's very cold right now. It's snowing. It snowed a lot yesterday, so the roads are like sticking with snow and shit. And yeah, it was like snowing throughout the whole entire day. I like the snow, but I just don't like walking in it, and I don't like driving in the snow. Like, I like just, chilling and looking at the snowfall. Like, it's honestly really beautiful seeing the snowfall, but it's not my cup of tea to be playing in that bitch. Let's take a look in here. So let's say I missed this trade right here, and I wanted to see price kind of create a better move. So price creates that stage 2 right here. Stage 1, as price creates that MB1 right here, and then you have the second move right here, and then I would have buy stopped that. Sorry if you guys could hear something outside. They're just shoveling outside my window. And then here's the move. I probably would have had something around here. This is not enough for me to break even. I want to see it actually like go, and then I would have moved that to break even. Here, price starts going, I would have done right here, and then as price kind of goes up like this, honestly I probably would have gone break even here, or I would have waited for the next one to kind of go up and then go break even as it trades through here. So maybe I might not have, but I definitely would have done it by like here, this kind of right here. I definitely would have moved to break even. But yeah, we would have been up how much right now? 1-to-1, something like that. But obviously I didn't take that trade, so yeah, we're still in this right now. I also want to watch the this one as well. I really don't know how to pronounce this guy's name. I know it's Artur, but I don't know, like Beterbiev and Dmitry Bivol. You guys watched the first one? The first one was like really fucking crazy. I feel like it could have gone either way, to be honest, but yeah. I feel like it's gonna be crazy. That second fight will be fucking crazy. I don't feel like it's going to be that close in the second fight, to be honest. I feel like someone's going to have the edge over the other. They're just going to know how to adapt and all that stuff. I feel like it's really going to be a knockout or a TKO. Again, they're both really fucking good fighters, obviously. So you just never know. Obviously, Bivol coming off that win over Canelo, right? That's probably like the biggest win of his career. But he lost to Artur the first fight, but I don't know. I really like Bivol. Bivol's cool as fuck. UFC embedded, bro. Yo, UFC, bro. Come back to like Vancouver, bro. I remember the card. It was the one where Amanda Nunes fought. Oh fuck, what's her name? It was Alexa Grasso's teammate. Oh, I forgot her fucking name, dude. The one from Mexico, Irene Aldana. Those guys were the main card, and then you had Charles Oliveira and you had Beneil Dariush. I remember, dude, they came to Vancouver, bro. I was so hyped, dude. I waited outside their hotel and stuff. Okay, not like outside the hotel, but I just kind of waited for them to go on their bus to like the weigh-ins and all that stuff. I actually got a picture with Beneil, and then they just kicked everyone out the area, like security. So I didn't get anything else, but I saw Charles, I saw Irene Aldana, I saw Amanda Nunes, Beneil Dariush, obviously. I saw Chikadze. I think those are all I saw, but yeah, it was pretty fire as fuck. The stadium was like, I didn't go, but the stadium was absolutely like crazy over Charles winning. Like, it was so cool. Yeah, dude, they need to come back, man. I remember my first ever UFC was, I think it was Justin Gaethje's debut against Michael Johnson. I'm not 100% sure, but I remember Justin Gaethje being one of the, like, I saw him in person in Vancouver. Oh, I'm not 100% sure. Let me see. I don't know. That's how you spell it.
Johnson versus Gaethje.
That was T-Bone.
Gaethje in the
Okay, bro. Where the fuck was it? Yeah, it was 289, but fuck. Oh, okay, it was Cowboy.
Referee Jared Villel has called a stop to this
I think it was this one.
At 4 minutes, 18 seconds of the very first round. Declaring the winner by TKO, Justin the Highlight Gaethje.
This one was the one that really put him down.
Man, dude, he's so tough.
Imagine being kicked by him.
The second one was better. Oh, man.
You were yelling at somebody after the finish. Was it the official you were yelling at?
Yeah, fall to your face. It's over. Retired. I want a real fighter. I want the winner of Tony and Khabib. I want to fight Khabib before he's gone.
Dude, imagine getting kicked by Justin Gaethje, bro. Holy fuck. I wouldn't be walking for like a year, dude. Dude, what? Dude, man, I swear, just deleted Snapchat, man. Such a high school thing to have, Snapchat. Oh my god. Okay, did you guys see the Luka trade, bro? What the fuck? That was so crazy, dude. When I saw that, like, I'm looking at it right now, but dude, just seeing that was so fucking crazy. Yeah, that was crazy, dude. To the Lakers as well. I mean, I guess they're kind of rebuilding when LeBron retires or something. I guess that's kind of the only like logical thing that I could see. But to trade Luka, man, your franchise player, and he just went to the finals, that's fucking crazy to me. He's 25, man. Pay him the max, bro. Fuck it. He's like one of the best players in the NBA, man. Like, why would you not sign him, dude? As much as I hate the fucking Mavs, as much as I hate Luka, dude, like, why would you guys not sign him to an extension, bro? Max contract the guy. He proves that he's really good. He's your franchise player, and you guys traded him at 25. What? Like, the Lakers are fucking hell, man. LeBron, Luka, and Bronny, dude. That's the trio, man. Holy fuck, that's the fucking trio, man. That's still crazy to me. What did the Mavs get? The Mavs got AD and Christie, right? Max Christie. I mean, at least you got a young player, but he's not Luka good, right? But you never know, dude. He could just turn up and just be absolutely crazy in Dallas. I mean, that's what Shai did, right? He was drafted to the Clippers and then went to Oklahoma, just went fucking crazy. AD, dude, don't the Mavs have like 3 centers now? They have like, is Porzingis still there? I think Porzingis is still there. They have AD now. Who's the other one, man? Fuck. I forgot, bro. But they have like 2 or 3 centers. I mean, 2 standard, right? But 3? Fuck, man. Tallest team in the NBA had I feel like the Lakers are going to do... I don't know if the Lakers are going to do good. I mean, you guys don't have a center, right? You're going to have like, what? Like LeBron play center? You're going to have Luka play center? I mean, Luka's pretty big, man. He's a big boy, no? Yeah, those guys are going to have trouble on defense for sure. But, I don't know. They just have a bunch of, like, forwards and shooting guards, right? Like, who the fuck's going to defend the paint, bro? You have Jokic going in there. You have Wemby. Who's gonna block that shit, man? Wemby's just going to shoot over everyone. I don't know, man. Fuck it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You know, I really wish prop firms had stocks. I really wish they did. Cause like I have my IBKR account and I have like 7K in it, but like this strategy that I run, this system runs really well with stocks. Like obviously because stocks just keep going up. It's not like Forex and all that stuff where it's like consolidating all the time, but like I really wish prop firms had stocks. Obviously there's some type of thing going on. Like I don't know. I feel like if stocks could be in prop firms, like people would have that by now. But I really wish they did, man. Because I would rather go for like a stock funded account and just have like millions of dollars worth of that than kind of build my way up off my stock account, or kind of have trade indices like US 30 and all that stuff and have that as my payout and then put that allocated to my my stock trading portfolio. But fuck, man, it would be so nice if they just had straight up stocks. like 6K. I mean, risking 1%, like it's not bad, but I would really like if they had the option, or they had the means to allocate stocks towards prop firms. That would be so good. But obviously there has to be something. I'm not sure yet, but it would be nice for sure. Let me see this. Yeah, this is the one I took on this is the one on the previous video that I had. This is the position I took on gold. Alright, price hits the 10 and then starts creating that move right there. Boom, boom. Fuck, dude, I don't think this is gonna hit. Price is creating that stage 2, stage 1, stage 2, stage 1, and then we're hopefully gonna see that push above to break this high, and to close above this high right here, right? This high right here, and then confirm that reaccumulation. Right now, this is an unconfirmed reaccumulation, but it still has a lot of liquidity up here, right? So when we took the position down here, all I was looking for the amount of liquidity inside these areas right here. So yeah, that's kind of like the main reason why I felt so confident. Well, I feel confident in every trade that I take, but just knowing that there's a bunch of money up here is kind of crazy, because think about it, right? There's a lot of people selling here, right? Selling there, and then there's also a lot of people on lower time frames also selling, right? You have the 1 minute. Right, you have a lot of people. I don't know, like something like this resistance right here. You have a lot of people selling that resistance. A lot of people with that S&D zone. I don't know how people do fair value gaps. Like I've just been seeing that's kind of like a little thing that everybody does now. But I think this is a fair value gap. I really don't know how this shit works, I'm not gonna lie. I think this is a fair value gap that people are trading, right? Something like that. People are also trading the trend line touches. The trend line touches here, right? People are also trading this stuff, or like here or here. There's just so many things that traders are doing. So I feel real confident in just all this like cloud of liquidity going on right there. Fuck, dude, my nose is itchy as hell, man. You guys ever had those times where you just like itch your nose and shit, and you're it's like hella red, and you're like Rudolph and shit? Yeah, that shit crazy. Oh my god, yo, so my TFSA holdings, I'm gonna kind of go over with you guys, but these are the holdings that I have right now. You guys can see that everything here is all US except for XCQT. But I'm gonna show you guys my positions on these guys in a couple of videos. But as of right now, I'm just kind of doing the trading, all that stuff right now, because I want to develop that kind of like, this is my system, right? This is what I do. But this is gonna be like my main, these holdings right here. I'm gonna make a video on like the strategies of what I'm doing and why I'm picking these, and you know why it's in my TFSA and what is a TFSA and all that stuff, just in terms of like the Canadian market, Canadian like just taxes and all that stuff. I am not a financial advisor. I'm not anyone who does that stuff, but I'm just an investor. I'm someone who wants to prepare myself for the future. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing, right? I want you guys to remember, right, like this is none of this stuff is financial advice, right? This is all just purely from my perspective, what I do, my system. I'm just here showing you guys, documenting my life, and I want to share it out there with a lot of people. So I want to look back at this and see where I've come, how far I've come, and everything along that spectrum. So yeah, I feel like I've never did a disclaimer in this whole entire video, but I'm gonna put it in the description so it's sunk in there with you guys. Nothing I do is anything financial advice, nothing like that. So I don't want to get sued, man. Oh my god, man. I really don't want to go to class, bro. Fucking hate school, man. Such like useless shit, man. Like, I've learned so much in trading, and probably will earn a lot more money in this than I'll ever learn from like what I'm learning in school, bro. Like, goddamn, man. Like, such a fucking waste, man. I feel like school is only good if you're going for like an actual like professional job. Like I'm talking like doctor, surgeon, nurse, lawyer, like anything like that. Like, I feel like school is only good for that. But like an artist, arts, languages, like, I don't understand why people take that in school, bro. Like, I really don't. Like, you could do that all online, man. Like, I don't know. It just don't make no sense to me, man. I like what I'm doing. So I'm taking kinesiology right now. So that's essentially like movements, athletes and all that stuff, and the biomechanics of the body, how the body moves. Like, that's essentially what I'm learning. This is obviously for like physiotherapy and all that stuff, but I don't know, man. I just, the more I'm doing this stuff right here, like, I just feel like I could have so much more freedom doing whatever I want to do. Like, I don't want to be stuck up in a job where I have to like not like 7 to 7 or 7 to 3. Like, I just can't do that, man. Like, the fact that right now I have to like request for vacation is kind of just, I don't really understand the thought process. Like, I mean, of course, like, you have a job and you have your boss and all that stuff, like, you have to request for vacation. But like 2025, all the different sources of income that you guys can kind of go after, like, you have like so many people who are like 16, 17 just being millionaires. Like, I don't even know, dude. Like, even if drop shipping's like very like saturated and shit, like, it's still like, you could still earn money from that, right? Like, I don't know. For me, I feel like you could do so much in this world right now. Like, you just don't need the traditional like education. Like, this isn't like 1900s anymore, right? That's just my take on it, bruh. But I feel like a really big thing that a lot of people should do is save your money and then invest in yourself. I feel like investing in yourself is like one of the best things that you could do, especially if you're not like have crazy amounts of money. Like, if you just have, like, instead of buying like a pair of new fucking Jordans or like, I don't know, Concords or whatever, or having like a new pair of Yeezys, like, dude, invest that money in like a course or something, bro. Like, a course that will make you infinite amount of money, bro. Like, for example, like a mentorship, like a trading mentorship or something, right? Find someone that you really enjoy looking at. Oh wait, that sounds weird. Find someone you really enjoy learning from, and just seeing if that's something you want to do in your life, right? And if you really like it, you know, on your own discretion, bro, obviously, like, invest in yourself, right? Make yourself presentable, make yourself invincible. You know, like, for myself, I just started reading a bunch of books. I've been going to the gym for a long time already, so that's not really something I started, but gym memberships, the mentorship that I learned from, right? I spent a lot of money on that. And now, I'm able to kind of do this in front of you guys, right? I'm never second guessing myself in anything that I do. And looking back from like 4 years when I first started this, right? Like levels above, right? Like the tier above, how fucking crazy. Okay, that made no sense. I am just levels above from where I was 4 years ago. So, and it only took a year, man. And this right here is the recipe for like billions of dollars right here. Just scaling and scaling and scaling. School never teach you that shit, bro. School won't even teach you about taxes, man. Like basic level, like high school, they won't teach you about that stuff, bro. Well, in Canada at least, they won't teach you any of that. Something that I read, I'm starting to read The Psychology of Money. So like the book. And something that really stuck out to me was there was this janitor. I'm sure you guys might have heard this before if you guys read the book, but there was a janitor who worked like 2 jobs or something and just invested in blue chip stocks throughout his whole life. And at the end of it, he donated like 2 million or something to his grandchildren, I think. And the rest of like the 6 million went to charity, and no one knew about it. Like no one knew that he had that much money. It was like 8 mil. And the fact that he just invested some of his like earnings from his paycheck to the market to invest is just crazy to me, right? Like 8 mil is fucking wild. There was another thing, but I completely forgot. I'm trying to think of it right now. Yeah, dude, I forgot. Actually, wait, hold on. Sorry, I'm just trying to find it right now. Okay, it looks like price closed above the 2, but I need like this part, right? Like the actual candle to be above that. Fuck, where is it, man? I can't find that shit. So he left 2 million to his stepkids and 6 million to his local hospital and library. He worked at a gas station for 25 years and worked at J.C. Penney as a janitor for 17. Yeah, that's crazy. I'm trying to find the other one, but I really can't find it. Yeah, I can't find it, bro. I'm not going to spend my time looking for that. But yeah, anyways, the trade's looking really nice right now. Oh my god. Yeah, but let me know, guys. Do you enjoy watching these types of videos?
I don't know if I want to live stream and do this because I feel like I get kind of fucking nervous. I ain't gonna lie. But if you guys enjoy me kind of just recording these live trading sessions, then let me know down below in the comment section. I feel like this is honestly, I really enjoy doing this. Like, I'm not gonna get all like personal and all that stuff yet, but as of right now, man, like this is a nice way for me to just kind of talk. I feel very like I feel very relaxed and shit, and I don't know, I just feel open to talking, you know what I mean? Like, I usually don't do this, but this is really nice, you know, just kind of talking here with you guys, and you know, maybe you guys are doing your own backtesting sessions and all that stuff, and just kind of watching this in the background, or I don't know, like whatever you guys are doing. I feel like this is pretty entertaining to you guys. You know, of course, I'm just starting out and shit right now. I'm still living with like my parents and all that, so I can't be like crazy, but it's nice just kind of sitting here and talking and kind of going over stuff like the UFC and all that stuff. But let me know what you guys want to see. I'm really open to anything right now. I'm just trying to grow my audience, to be honest. And yeah, of course, I'm going to show you guys every single trade that I take. Maybe it's not going to be live all the time. Maybe I might take some that are not live, but I will record it for you guys and show you the positions that I take. So this right here is literally the first position, that I've taken on this in this February competition. But yeah, you guys can see right here, I've literally taken nothing. I just have a pending order on US 30. That's my daily. And then I have this open position right now. But yeah. Fuck, I don't want to go to school, bro. Fuck. Yo, I also been getting into like chess. I mean, I've been on chess for like on and off, kind of like trading and shit. I've been on and off, but I don't know. I feel like it's pretty cool to get into. I'm pretty fucking ass, dude. I literally just started yesterday again, so I'm at like 400 elo, man. I'm fucking ass, man. Like I'm really not good, bro. But maybe I might do some chess and shit like that. I'll try and learn some stuff and then just play it in the background here as well. But fuck, man, I'm really not a chess guy, so y'all gotta be easy with me, bro. I still gotta learn stuff, man. I mean, I know basic chess, like I know basic chess, but I'm not like crazy with it. If he wants to take this, I could take that. He wants to take this. I feel like it's not a good trade though. I mean, if he wants to take that, it's fine. Or should I just take that? You could take this. I could take that. I don't want to go here because the queen could go there. Here? Nah, that's not a good one. Should I just castle? Should I do this? See, like, dude, I'm a noob, man. I really don't know. Like, I really don't know. I feel like the best move is the castle. or just kind of do this. Because if I do this, then this guy's can move here, but then he has nothing to do. He could just kind of grab this. But if he comes kind of here, then he could pin that. Or I can just trade, right? I feel like it's a bad decision too. Actually, fuck it, let's do it. I should have done this, then it would have taken that, and then I would have done that. Before, let's do this. Right, then I can. I'm gonna cancel this. Take that. No, let's do here. I don't know what to do, man. That's kind of, I don't know why I did that, bro. You could just take here, and then you could just, fuck. Actually, no, if I take this, I could, yeah. You can't take this, because I could. You can't take this? No, you can't do like that. Fuck, I made a mistake. I made a mistake, bro. You could just take that. I don't know, bro. This looks good. This closes, I'm gonna move it. You could just take that. You can't take this, because my rook is there. Take this. If he takes this, is there a way I could check this? me take this really. If I were to take this, or what if I were to take that? Take that is fine. Take this. Boom. Take that. Take my horse. Good shot. You can't take any of this. Take that. Can't go here. Let's move this here. Fuck. I'm stuck, boys. Just move the king. Okay, how do I mate this? I can do this and you would have to move here. Right. And then I could do this. So I'll have protection there. And then I could do this. Dude, this guy's 275, man. How come I can't fucking make this dude? There we go. Fucking hell. That was so ass, bro. Oh my god, man. I could have. That was so ass. Where's this guy? Fuck. Yeah, okay, I'm ass, bro. Alright, bro, let me just exit out of this, bro. I am ass, bro. Alright, 2 minutes left in this thing right here. Got class starting in 10 minutes. Bro, 46 seconds. If it closes above, does it close above? Yes, it does. So I'm gonna move this here. This is gonna be what? Percent. Why can't I do this? Hold on. Why can't I move this up, bro? What? Dude, why can't I? What the fuck? Oh my god, dude. I'm just gonna have to move this. What's the coordinates? 2843,855. 2843. There we go. Okay, Christ takes me out. Alright, guys, that was the entire thing. I hope you enjoyed this little live trading, little fucking yap session and shit. But yeah, if you guys really like these types of videos, comment down below, man. I'll continue doing this regardless. But fuck, this shit's fun as hell. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, dude, I love you guys. Peace out, dude.